A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. After a long day, it was time to close the office. Bad-tempered Scrooge got down from his stool and told the clerk in the small office, who instantly blew out his candle and put on his hat.
"You'll want the whole day off tomorrow, I suppose?"
asked Scrooge.
"If it's convenient, sir."
"It's not convenient,"
moaned Scrooge.
"and it's not fair. And if you don't get your half-crown for it, you'll think I'm treating you badly."
The clerk smiled a little.
"And yet,"
said Scrooge,
"you don't think I'm treated badly when I pay someone a day's wages for no work?"
The clerk pointed out that Christmas was only once a year.
"That's still not a good excuse for taking my money every 25th of December,"
muttered Scrooge, doing up the buttons on his coat to his chin.
"I suppose you must have the whole day, but be here very early the next morning."
The clerk promised that he would, and Scrooge walked out angrily. The office closed shortly afterwards, and the clerk went down a slide on Cornhill with a group of boys 20 times, in honour of it being Christmas Eve, and then ran home to Camden Town as fast as he could to be with his family.